identify source of creation in the creation. That is what we call it as eco-spirituality. In this eco-spirituality, as an individual, we need to get a balanced nourishment. Balanced nourishment includes all the 5 elements of life, like the sky element, where we meditate, or we go back to original state, or we are in the silence. The fire component, where we are exposed to sunlight, we walk around in the ecosystem, we get sufficient vitamin D. Then the air element, where the tranquil atmosphere what the ecosystem gives to us, we need to enjoy. We need to appreciate the wholeness, interconnectedness, what we breathe out. The plants and trees are breathe in. What they breathe out, we are breathing in. There are lot of interconnectedness even in the microscopic level, in the form of microbes. Of course, pheromones, through the chemicals, we are all connected. And we need not tell, through electrical system, electromagnetic waves, we are all connected to the ecosystem. So it's very important to follow eco-spirituality. Of course, the water element, we need to have a sufficient water. Taking care of lakes, taking care of water in the environment is very, very important, not to waste water. Of course, the earth element, we need to pray for the earth element, so that by taking care, by taking action, helping the nature, by not cutting trees or not putting lot of pesticides into the soil, so that we get a good food, vegetables, fruits and grains, which are more healthy for us. So all the 5 elements we need to derive from the ecosystem. So ecosystem, we need to develop intimacy. That intimate relationship, what we develop in the ecosystem, is very important in eco-spirituality. We need to integrate, because we're all integrated with the plants and other species as an ecological being, with other human beings and other species also. We need to get involved in taking care of ecosystem well, and we need to be aware of inclusiveness. The atomic stuff of whole ecosystem and atomic stuff of whole system of our individual is same. We are all unique peripherally. We are all united in the center, even in the eco-spirituality. Thank you.